While Yamaha looked like the bike to beat in the first two races, Suzuki came good last week as Alex Rins almost won the race despite not being at 100%, while Joan Mir was able to grab second place on the podium. While the Ducatis are the favourite for the race this weekend, Suzuki might be the dark horse according to Petronas Yamaha's Fabio Quartararo. I'm your host Chino, and today on MotoGP Universe. Suzuki, the perfect bike for the Red Bull Ring. Quartararo got straight to the point and explained why the Suzukis are so good at the Red Bull Ring this year. For me, the Suzuki is really impressive how much performance they have because it looks like the bike is turning so well, stopping so well, the top speed is also much higher than our bike. I think it is one of the perfect bikes for this track. He further elaborated on this. I think they are really good on the brakes, very similar to us, much better in the middle of the corners. The acceleration is not as good as ours, but they are able to exit with more speed. He further pointed out their strong points. When you exit with more speed, you are able to not use too much the rear tire. So you don't have to pick up the bike and use the power because you make the speed in the middle of the corners. So I think they use a bit less the tires, which is the reason why Rins and Mir are really good at the end of the race. He summed up Suzuki's strengths in a single sentence. They are able to be consistent and fast, but more consistent than everybody, I think, in this moment. Quick look. LCR Honda's Takaki Nakagami has revealed that he feels much more confidence than last week. He also added that he and his team are not talking about next season because now they are step by step close to the podium, and the first thing in himself is he wants to get a podium. Yamaha has withdrawn its appeal to unseal their engines to check for issues. Avincia MotoGP team boss Ruben Zoss has said that it doesn't matter what he feels, as the situation is last week at Brno they got a penalty which they don't really understand. He also feels that the crash involving Zarco and Paul Espargaro created the precedent for the situation, and because of that situation they ended up with another penalty. Ducati's Andrea Dovizioso thinks that KTM have made a really important improvement and feels that it's not easy in MotoGP to make that kind of step. He also pointed out that it's too difficult to understand that bike because Binder is riding like Moto2 at the moment and he's so fast, it's very strange. Aprilia's Aleix Espargaro has revealed that Andrea Dovizioso is his favourite rider on the grid because of how he approaches the races, how he works, his character. He also feels that it's clear that Dovi joining Aprilia from next season has a real chance. It's the only factory available and he will be more than welcome. He also expressed his opinion regarding Zarco's penalty, which he doesn't agree with at all, but he added that it is not his job to give penalties and that it's not enough. And KTM's Paul Espargaro cannot really believe that they are so fast, but added that Marc Marquez, the best guy on the grid, is not here. What do you think? Is Suzuki really as good as Quartararo thinks? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you and catch you on the next one.